myself a coffee and I'm just out for a little solo walk. I'm actually feeling kind of unwell this morning, so probably have a fairly chilled day. One of my goals recently has been to be able to go for a solo walk and not rush. Like, I just cannot go for a walk by myself and not be like speed walking and be hurrying to get home. Like, I just want to go for a nice relaxing walk and not break a sweat like I have right now. I feel like I am just unable to be relaxed if I'm not in the flat, which is kind of a problem. So that was my goal for today and did not achieve it. But right now I am about to try apple cider vinegar. Danny and I get married fairly soon, which is so exciting, so scary, so insane. And I really have not done anything to like glow up. Like, I know that sounds kind of toxic, but you know how you see all those videos of like things brides did before their wedding. I've been doing nothing. And I feel like that's fine, but I don't want to on the day or after the day be regretting not like putting any effort into how I look. So I've been watching all these videos of people who have gotten married and what they did before their wedding to make themselves feel better. Like, I just want to feel really confident on my wedding day. And loads of people said drink apple cider vinegar. Apparently it helps with, I don't even remember what this helps with. I think it's like water retention and bloating and stuff like that. And I get really bloated. I'm definitely like intolerant to something. I don't know what. So I thought I would test this out and give it a go. Apparently it's really disgusting. I'm scared. This is really not as bad as people made it out to be. I'm currently rereading Twilight. I only have a little bit left, so I am gonna finish this off, drink my coffee, and just have a nice relaxing morning. You guys know how I feel about Twilight. This is just so good. I can't believe it's taken me this long to reread it. I can't remember what age I was when I read the books for the first time. Maybe like 12 or 13. This book makes me so like giggly. I've just put some comfy clothes on, but this top is such a throwback. I got this when Danny and I were in LA in 2022, I think it was. I feel like I hardly ever wear it, but got this at the Melrose Trading Post. I've just been editing for the past few hours and I'm gonna now take a break and sit and watch some TV, but I thought I could make myself a matcha and I wanted to show you because I actually went to an event the other day with Oatley, which was so fun. The event was at House of Naff and they had basically partnered with Oatley for this sit back and relax event where you basically could go and get strawberry matcha inspired nails. And these are mine. I'm actually so obsessed with them. I just got like a clean pink French manicure and they look so good. I had planned on bringing you along. I'm sorry I didn't, but if you watched my last vlog, then you'll know that we were in Italy for a week, which was so fun. I'm so sad to be back. It was so nice. And then we were dog sitting for Danny's parents for a week. So that's why I have been a little bit MIA. I'm also sorry about that. I had only planned on taking a week off while I was abroad. And then just so many things went wrong and my last video was a bit of a disaster. So it took me a lot longer to edit than I had planned. So I'm sorry that there was a little bit of a gap. I don't like not uploading every week, but we got back to the flat on Saturday and we went out for my friend's birthday. I was very hungover on Sunday and that's when the event was. So I just was not ready to start a new vlog. So I'm sorry I didn't take you, but I had a really nice time. So we got this little goodie bag at the event and inside I got a carton of Oatley's new strawberry matcha. This is what the event was inspired by. I also got this strawberry cuticle oil, which I've been using every night. And they also gave us this ice cube tray, which actually says Oatley at the bottom, which is so cool. Filled that up last night in preparation for this. And then the last thing was this Oatley cup, travel cup, which I'm actually not going to use today because I haven't cleaned it. But I thought we could make this matcha together. I mean, obviously it's in a carton, so all I'm going to do is put an ice cube in and then pour the carton in. Oh, can you see it says Oatley? There we go. Why am I doing this here? No, I just got matcha on the carpet. I'm such an idiot. Matcha taste test. That's so good. I think it's finally time to restart Gilmore Girls.
Getting a photo of the wee Clarice Piers building.
You guys know I love a theme day, and I've been waiting to do this one for so long, and today's finally the day. I'm having a Twilight themed day. So I'm currently just having my coffee in bed, and I'm about to start rereading New Moon, because as you saw yesterday, I just finished rereading Twilight. My friend is actually coming over today. Usually I am solo for my theme days, but she's gonna come over and we're gonna have a Twilight marathon. So I need to go to the shops and pick up lots of different snacks, put it all out. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. I actually have a Twilight top. I can't decide if I should wear that or try like recreate an outfit that's worn in Twilight. I'm gonna try to go for a nice walk through like some woods or something like that to feel a bit more Twilight. I don't know, but I'm gonna have my coffee right now. I am gonna do a bit of baking and cooking as well today because I feel like Bella does that quite a lot in the book. I just got back from the shops. Here is everything I picked up for my Twilight themed spread. Right now I need to start making some white chocolate covered strawberries, and I have some fun glitter spray. And then I'm gonna make this into a pretend berry cobbler. I was planning on making a berry cobbler from scratch, but that just seems like a lot of effort, and I only have an hour before my friend gets here. So I just picked up this crumble mix, which is not very accurate, but that's what we're working with. Looks a mess, but here is what we're working with. It's time to now set it all up. Oh, I've not done that before. That's crazy.
Legally don't know that. Like ages.
Not gonna work. It's Saturday today, and we are just about to head into town because tomorrow I'm actually doing a running race. I haven't told you guys yet. I'm really nervous. I'm just doing the Glasgow Women's 10k, but I've never done anything like this before. I've done a 10k before, but not for a while, and I just don't know what it's going to be like. I'm quite anxious about it, but I think it'll be fun. And I think it'll be worth it afterwards. So the reason we need to go into town is because I don't really have any shorts that I like to run in, and I just feel like if I have a nice outfit, it will make me feel better and feel more confident when I'm running, which means hopefully I'll run better, because I am going for a specific time. I really think it's quite an unrealistic time, but that's what I'm aiming for. So yeah, we're gonna go into town, see what I can find to wear.
The saying of 49ers legend Deion Sanders, Neon Dion, famous for saying, what good ones not? Look good, feel good, play good. And then he says play good, pay good. So you're not getting any money.
Oh, yeah, any money, unfortunately.
But, yeah.
I don't think there's a cash prize. trying on my race day fit. I'm gonna change my socks, but these are the new shorts I bought. They are just from Nike. They are actually kids shorts, so I'm slightly worried that I'm gonna get chafing. But the adult ones had like a big band, and that's what I didn't really want with my shorts. So these just have a small one. So I'm gonna go test them out, go for like a 15-minute jog. Just, what's it called? Shakedown run? Shake out, I think. Shake out run, a shake out run.
It's up to you. Number 4, let's go, okay.
Race is about to start. Nervous.
Big wet rosy tomato.
I didn't get my time.
Oh, what a run. We're gonna ask the lady. Salty food.
He drinks tea, like tea. That guy's great too, and then he comes back.
Oh, I'm so glad you got some health queens. I think that's when